Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is, for those of you that follow my channel, you may remember me posting about winning a Vegega photo contest. So this is the prize that I won. It is a 9-in-1 slate gray 2.0 raised bed. It's 32 inches tall by 2 feet wide, and I want to say 8 feet long. So I'm going to put this together. Um, you've seen me put raised beds um, together before, so it's not new or anything like that. A little bit about the company. It is a American-made company, has a location, I want to say, in New Hampshire, and also has one in California. The material is state of the art. Um, it's good quality. I actually have another raised bed from Vegega, the U-shaped bed that the orange one that you guys see on some of my videos, and I'm very, very, very happy with it. Um, I'm also affiliated with them, so if you do decide to purchase one from them, you can use my discount code, and I'll put that in the description portion of the video as well as the comment section. Code. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, lay everything out, and then start putting it together. Okay, it has been unboxed, and the layout is pretty much how it's going to be built. You have 4 straight pieces on the left side, 4 straight pieces on the right side, 2 curved pieces here at the bottom, and 2 curved pieces there at the top. You have 4 sets of braces. You have the rubber protection from those sharp edges, and you have the hardware. So we're going to go ahead and put this together time lapse, and hopefully it won't take too long. Okay, here we are. We finally have it put together, and as you can see, it's nice and trim and sleek looking. I'm partial to the gray, so that's why I got it in gray. And it's 32 inches tall, which is basically right to my hip. So I don't have to bend over or anything like that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the rubber protection on the edges, and then we'll be done pretty much for the most part for today. I think I'm going to go ahead and put some cardboard boxes in, and I won't be filling it today due to the fact that I don't have any soil or anything like that with me. Okay, putting it on the rubber protection isn't really that difficult. Pretty much slides right on. And also, too, the fact that the rubber has been out in the sun makes it a little easier. Almost done. And last but not least, we are here where we started. And let's do some cutting. There we go. And we'll tuck this on, and we're done. Big shout out to Vegega for sending this bed to me. I was not expecting to win their photo contest, but by the grace of God, I did. And I am very, very, very appreciative of receiving this. A few videos back, when I mentioned about expanding my garden over into the area in back of me, I asked if there were any companies that were willing to collaborate with me. Well, since that time, I have received 3 beds, and it just goes to show you that God is definitely good, and I am appreciative of it, thankful, and blessed. If you're interested in getting this particular bed or any bed such as this, or any bed such as this from Vegega, as I stated before, I am affiliated with them. I'll put my link on the screen and in the description and comment portion of the video. And if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like and notification bell all. If you aren't a member of my channel, think about becoming one. I'm trying to grow that part of my channel. And if you do or become a member, 3 to 5 times a month, I will produce member-only videos. I will also produce member-only comments, conversations, and I will, from time to time, have free seed giveaways and other things as well. So if you're interested in that, take a moment to subscribe to that. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. In this little small space, which is no longer a small space, I can grow a lot of food. I am very blessed and very thankful. Until next time, take care. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Test clear.